Alright, this is the project we're going to try today, and we're going to rebuild this thing. You can clearly see it says floor, and we've got not a lot of floor heat, but we got a lot of dash. Okay, put it on vent. Okay, nothing comes out of the vent. Okay, put it on floor again. We got very little on the floor and everything on the dash. You see, it just blows that paper towel right up against the window. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and pull this out, and we got some O-rings. We're gonna see if we can fix this for $5. 5/16 screws. This big piece of trim is just snapped in. Matter of fact, it's in the back seat. This old big piece of trim comes out. That's all you got to take out. And then 4 screws. And there's some nuts in the back that hold the vacuum lines on. So we'll show you that. All right, all we've unhooked were those 2 little 3/8 inch, I believe is what they were. Yeah, 3/8 inch plastic nuts on the back. We've undone this vacuum thing. The one in the center is vacuum. You want to make sure you have vacuum for one thing, okay? So we got vacuum, so we know we don't have any vacuum leaks or a pinched line or something somewhere. So now we're going to activate the vents. We're going to turn the blower on. Okay, we got virtually nothing in the vent. Okay, that's the heat. That's full-blown defrost. Yep, I dropped my camera. Still recording though. And there's dash. Oh yeah. Wish I had here. Okay, so we know the diaphragms and everything in here that's supposed to work works. So now we know it's this. We go ahead and shut the car off, unplug this, take it apart, and there's 4 little O-rings we need to replace. Because what it is when you push vent or push floor, it activates the solenoid and it moves vacuum from one side to the other. And the O-rings are just cracked from what they show online, so we're going to try and repair this one. So let's get this unplugged. I mean, you can see this is all there is. It's just these 2 plugs right there. You push those little tabs down, unplug them, and then we'll go from there. Alright, see these 2 screws in the back? I don't know what size this is. It's probably going to be like a 15. So all you do is you take these 2 screws out of the back. Okay, we're going to have to get us something to put our screws in so we don't lose them. Okay, and this lifts up and pulls forward, and all you have is this electrical connector. That's it. We don't need this part anymore. Here's where our vacuum problem is. So, we have, see all the green screws here? We need to remove the green screws.